So for the VSD, we have to go to shaper again.
I need to go stand over there.
Okay. And what should I do now? You want to try?
Huh?
The VSD?
Design?
Yeah, the design. It's the same thing, Jinping.
Okay.
So the same thing here, you can. But for the VSD, you can make strands and electrospinning and
Droplet also?
droplet also.
Really?
But the droplet in the VSD is different. Okay, it's not the same thing. It's drop on not on demand at coordinate. So it's not droplets. I will show to you. So let's take the cartridge. Where is my cartridge for it's here. Okay. And now we need to take a nozzle. Let's take this nozzle. See? This is a glass syringe.
Oh.
Here we have much more precision, much more control of the quantity of the material that you are dispensing. So
But the syringe is too expensive.
this is too expensive.
Yeah.
This is
1,000.
200. Huh?
$1,000, something like
No,
that.
no, this is 200 or 50 or 300.
Increase the
$1,000?
price.
Swiss?
Huh?
Swiss or dollars?
Swiss, 250 Swiss francs.
Yeah.
So $300.
$350.
$300, yeah. So what you do before you start your project, you put your cartridge like this. You unscrew here. Okay. Unscrew here. And look what will happen. It will drop. Okay? Drop. You do like this. You do like this, and you close. So this one has a temperature controller inside of the printer already. So it's not the same thing as the TC.
Oh, it has a temperature control in a syringe.
Yes.
Oh, that's
Not in the
nice.
syringe, in the technology, in the printhead. So as you can see, the controller, VSD, here you can control the temperature from 5 to 40 degrees. Okay? So this is
In a
electronic.
head.
In this head. Yeah.
Okay.
In this head you can control the temperature. So we close the door. And what we have to do now?
Need a adjustment, calibration.
Yes, the calibration, the needle calibration. And we're gonna calibrate the needle. And look, this is very important because for sure you're gonna commit a lot of mistake with the VSD. Before calibrating the needle, for the VSD, we need always to initialize the VSD. Okay?
What does that mean?
Means that I need to take the chariot, that is the metallic piece, and put in contact with the plunger. Okay? That's why. See? VSD requires to be initial. Yeah. Please disconnect any syringe from the actuator and confirm. So the syringe is not connected to the VSD. So I confirm. And here, see the chariot moving?
Yeah.
So the chariot is moving.
Sorry, what you call it? Shahil?
Chariot.
Shahil.
It is in French.
Okay.
The only thing that I know
Yeah.
in French.
I'm hearing different languages. Yeah,
So,
okay.
loaded, and now we need to wait a little bit.
It's gonna automatically come down to touch the syringe?
No. You're gonna see. We need to do this.
Yeah,
Okay. 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 And here, VSD requires to be set up. Please connect our syringes to actuators and confirm. So, what I need to do here, I need to connect the chariot with the plunger, with the, I don't know how to say
and
that
there
in
is
English.
a screw and...
Yes, exactly. What's the name of the... Como é que a gente fala em português?
O êmbolo, né? Isso daí é o...
No, the thing to press. It's plunger?
Yeah.
I think it's
so.
plunger,
Yeah,
right? It's plunger, right?
Yeah.
So you need to connect the chariot to the plunger. And here it's the actuator velocity, actuator or chariot, you can choose. And here you can choose the velocity. 1 millimeter, and we have something like this. You see? 1 millimeter per second.
Uh-huh. Or you can go like
Yeah, 5 millimeter per second, 10 millimeters per second. See? So you can choose. I recommend you to start using 5 millimeters and be very close to the plunger, and then you put 1 millimeter. Okay? 1 millimeter. And you press and hold. And this part is the most important. Come here to see. You need to look at the nozzle. You go down, go down, go down.
until you have extrusion.
Yes. GP, can you help me? Can you tell me when we have some droplets or not in the...
Oh, in the tube.
Yeah. Tell me when we have one. You tell me. No?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, one.
One. So we have one. So what we do, we click one time up. Okay? So 0.1 update and one time up. Just to take off the air that's inside of the cartridge. We did this, and now we have to open. And now we have to close. Now our VSD is ready. Okay, so close the door, and then I click confirm. But wait, what's happening? What's happening now?
We have extrusion.
Oh, something still coming
Yes.
out. Should I clean?
Yes, we need to clean this manually. I clean with my hands here, and then
Then
I
we should
can.
calibrate.
Yes, exactly. And now I have to calibrate this.
For the plunger, for touching the plunger, where did you click?
It will appear. It will pop out.
Automatically.
Automatically. Yeah, a window that you have to select. So if you want to use the VSD, the last one, you always have to do this. Okay?
So this one, that one doesn't have.
I don't think so. Let me
Yes,
see.
they don't. They don't.
No, this one. No. You
No,
don't have
no,
this
no.
one. Yeah.
Just the other hand.
Okay, now we have the VSD calibrated. Okay? And now we can start to design the the project for the VSD. 0.1.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that? Uh-huh. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot. Don't kill me.
You forgot this? So,
Yeah, okay.
drop on the drop at coordinate. So for droplets, what we have to use
Drop on demand or
for droplets, what we have to use? We have to use perimeter, infill,
infill
or
and
point cloud.
point cloud.
Exactly.
Okay.
So point cloud, and here we can use instead of rectangle or ellipse or a triangle, we have to use a polyline. Okay. So here I will make a droplet here. I'll make a droplet here. Here. I come back here. Come back here. So this is the path that the VSD will take. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Right click, polyline, and now I can choose point cloud. I selected my tool, VSD, Material, we can put always green. Okay, green. Method, dot at coordinate. So Jinping, I just created a polyline, see?
Okay.
And I selected the VSD, and now I just need to,
Parameters.
yes. Okay, so we are okay. The dispensing speed, we can put 5 millimeters per second. Click twice, and here we can choose the volume of our droplets. Let's put 2 microliters. See?
Should here also we change the height and width of the,
I'm sorry?
there was some height and width regarding to the medium?
Yes, but in this case we don't need to choose.
We don't, because
Yeah, in
it's
this case.
droplet.
Huh?
Because it's droplet?
Yes, because it's droplets, it's not a strand, you know, you are not making
But
a
for
scaffold.
this strand we need,
Yes.
yeah.
No, you need also for dots, but this is just an example. If you want something complex, you can change here. See?
Okay.
And here, a needle offset, we can use 0.1 because I don't want to touch the substrate. And then, composer, the same thing as usual. Last line, 75, 50, 0.98. Okay, and then job definition, manual positioning, canvas. We can put in the center. Sequencer, and we'll build something like this. See? Generate, and here we put VSD. Save. Now we have to put the glass line. Okay, let's see. Load process, VSD. Okay, and here's the configuration of the VSD. What is the size of the cartridge that we are using? 2.5. Yeah. So select 2.5. It's very important. This 2.5. The material viscosity. This is the cream, so we can use 0.5. It's okay. And here we don't need to use just for. And push retract. It's when we are pushing. It's mechanical. So there is a pressure inside of the cartridge. So it will, because of the pressure, the material will continue to flow. So we have to activate the push retract. And the temperature, it's okay. And here it's if we want like to do the nanofilaments. And we can start. Let's see if we did something right. You can come closer. It's making?
I don't have any extrusion.
Yeah, because I made something wrong. So the velocity. Now it's extruding. See? It's because we are extruding just 2 microliters. See?
Just make some
Yeah, because it's just 2
points,
microliters.
yeah.
Okay, now it's normal. Because there was a little bit of air. Okay. CAD, yes. STL
BioCAD,
file.
yeah.
No, BioCAD, no.
No, STL.
STL
file.
files, yes.
Even if we make that with some other
Software, yes.
softwares
Mhm.
like
If you have the STL
AutoCAD or-
files, you can upload in Shaper. Yeah, it's not so beautiful, but here, it's beautiful. Here we have an idea. See? We are making droplets with the material of 2 microliters. If you want to make different droplets with 3 or 4 or 5 microliters, you can choose in the software. Here we had some problems because there was no material in the needle, and here there was a air bubble. See? But this is the result.
Interesting.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So if you are working with organoids or spheroids, I don't know if you're gonna work with that. Yes? No?
Mhm.
Yes?
It's perfect.
Yeah? You're gonna work with the
Yeah.
spheroids?
Yeah.
So the VSD will be perfect for you. See? Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's all yours. I am just the backup here.